Hello, peeps. We're on our way to Philippines. We're still waiting for our taxi. This is our luggages. And our taxi's not there yet, so everyone's still upstairs. Yes, I can't wait to go back to the Philippines now. Just about 7 years having been to the Philippines. Oh, everyone's going downstairs now. Yes. Okay. We're going to London Gatwick first, and then we're going to stop. We're going to go stop to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Yes. And that's it for now. Thank you. We're at the airport. We're waiting for our departure, going to Dubai. Kevin? What can you say, Kev? Thank you sa food, Kevin.
Down there.
This is the airport. We're almost there. Thank you. Hello. This is our airplane going to the Philippines, our United Arab Emirates. Yes, we're on our way there to Manila, Ninoy Aquino Terminal 3. This is an international airplane. Yes, yo. This is Dubai. We're here na sa Dubai. Mommy, everyone. It's really nice. We're waiting for our from Dubai to go to the Aquino Manila Terminal 3. That's that. This is where we're staying. This is the swimming pool. Yes, it's quite humid here now. I think it's 33 degrees in Manila. Hello. This is where we're staying. This place is, yes, it's our first day here now. Hope we enjoy. This is our building. Oh, you cannot see. And this is where we going inside. Plaster here. That's gaming. This is our luggage. This is Kevin. What can you say? Now you're finally after all these years. Tired and excited. Wow, that's nice. It's really nice hotel. Hello. This is World Resorts. My parents. Tandy. Wow, it's from World Resorts as well. It looks really nice. It's really fancy. Excited and all. It looks nice. Garden of Everyday. That's what it calls. Wow, robot. Wow, it's really nice. It looks really nice. Nice. It's really nice, my friends. Countryman. What's up? Wow. Looks really nice. What is this part of the World Resort? There's trees and the fountain as well. Diba? Wow. That's wow. It's really nice. Wow. Wow. Looks fancy. What can you say? World Resort, guys. Peeps, what can you say? In English.
Trolley Mall.
Wow. Saya. Oh, I almost. Na sila is something there, oh. There's something in there. Hello. We're going to have something to eat first and foremost. This looks fancy. It looks fancy. Fancy kanto. Yeah. What can you say, Mami? After all these years. Yeah. Nick or something. Dancing fountain. How nice. Whoa. It's crazy. That's nice. Wala ako, wala. Yung itik ko. Dili ni price. It's my mango shake. The real deal. What can you say, Kev, about the mango shake? It's nice.
Yeah, it's nami kayo. It's
Oo.
like heavenly.
Wow, that's nice. This is my mango shake. Whoa, it's heavenly. This is our food for this evening. Our food for this evening. It's a lapu-lapu and pork and noodles. This is our first meal for today. Thank you, Jesus. This is World Resort. We're here already. Wow, it's so nice. It's a lot of people. It's our first breakfast here in Manila. They're eating, and I'm eating with my the siopao. There's my siopao with the sauce. Wow, it's lovely. Jable. Thank you, Jesus, of food.
Uy, pag-order mo bitsundan sa Sunday pat.
Hello, Sean.
Hello.
What can you say?
I'm
give
happy
message,
to see you.
Give message to your to Carvin and Bradley.
I expected that you would be here, but you weren't. But I will go there. I will be the one to go there.
Wow. What is your message from your
It's nice to
loved
see you.
ones
To see you.
from the UK?
It's nice to see you again.
Na-miss na ka sa kuan UK.
Yes. And,
Dagan sa mga
gonna be
friends.
there.
Dagan sa friends sa UK. Sa London. Oo.
I have none.
Oo. Adto lagi.
Yes.
Pwede man ka makaadto bisa nakuan ka sa Japan. Dili lang kuan.
Next year.
Oo. Kay pwede man ikuan ka ni mama, di ba? Kay kuan man. Dili pagpakuan France.
Meet me there.
Oo, we'll treat you.
Find me
Ice cream.
someone.
Ice cream.
I'll get married. Find me someone, okay?
Oo, okay ra.
Get married.
Grabe mo kayo. Oo, citizenship. Kami dili na may Philippine citizenship. La, halipay kasi mo nagambak-ambak na siya. Siyang kuan, damgo. Kay Papa man na, okay raw na. We're here na sa UK.
Sa'yo dito ka kanina kay Brother Sing wala hindi. Ano dito na kay dito. Wow na ko dito bansa. Pat, Kevin.
Init ah.
Kang Kevin inyong kuan out pass. No inyong sakyan. Mamay sa bag na. Ang bag na. Mamay sa bag na.
Laba pa o. Okay ka pa? Nakakaon na kasi mo kuan ganang gusto.
Mas barato.
Di pa eh.
Matagan ka din.
Bukal-bukal na si kuan si Papa ko niyo. Kay naka dream come true na siya sa kuan Pilipinas.
Ay, sa'yo pa demo, di ba daw
Murag mao niya sinyalis kung dili na sa magstorya mauna na.
Ha? Kanaw, dadabas na ako yung para sa inyo.
Hindi man, manawag nga sa taon na kay Kawasay. Dili na sila.
Nalalaw doon na kayo. Di naman magpabuking.
Oo.
Kung mag-on lugar, makaon na na.
Oo. Na video na galing. Unsay mong masay?
May hapon mga higala.
Murong mana. Anaon man ako. Ana. Oo.
May hapon mga higala. Naata sa balay ni Maribik Salcido.
Isa pa gyud. Sina
Ang naa.
What did you do? Unsay magipanghimo karon nga adlaw?
Naa si Inday Badiday. Wala na.
Ikaw hindi unsay mong masay na naami dani since the 7 years
and
ago.
welcome home
Oo.
to Philippines.
Oo. Unsay magpanghimo since 7 years ago? Dani ra
House ni Maribik.
gyapon pa di ba? At least kuan ka loyal kay Dani di ba sa wala sila Dani di ba?
Mayor Domado.
Oo, lagi grabe. Di basta-bastang bata unsa man ni. Grabe kuya yung bata. Makita na ni mo magdagway sa video. Sa kuan. Nakita ni mo ang video katong panghimo nako. Morning guys. It's our first morning here in Xavier Estates. Cagayan de Oro. Yes. Currently we will be going downstairs and going to something to eat. Uncle Noel is busy over there doing something. And,
Morning.
morning. What are you? Oh, you still not finished eating? Mommy is busy doing something. Mommy, eat na. Your son. Yes, yo. Thank you very much. I'm about to eat soon. Thank you, Jesus. So, Sean, how's your trip so far?
Still good, but since it's raining,
It's not good. You may go home now. I think there's no electricity because it's raining across the road. Yeah, what are you playing? Are you playing something
chess.
nice? Chess?
Playing against the chess master.
And are you eating also cheese after that? How about you, Uncle? What are you doing? You're focusing. You're very serious. You're very serious competitor. Are you like that? Or are you like this? Huh? So you like to eat sushi? And you open the door with sushi? It's all around the sushi. Kev, speak English, Kev. Or
What
Arabic.
should I move next? This night or that night?
That night,
Which one?
the one that you said that night.
Kanina siguro.
Black
tayo.
Knight.
Para makuha.
So it's raining currently here in America. Feels like I'm in America because it's America. Yes, in Los Angeles, California. Yes, they serve some really nice food here, like all around of food. Like there's Japanese, there's Filipino, there's French, there's Zimbabwe. Oh, what's that? Oh, thank you, Jesus. It's a miracle. The electricity is here.
reason one dito.
Thank you, Jesus. This is our new place that we're staying. Everyone's happy because of the journey. Yes. We are here currently here now, and it's raining outside. It's quite exciting because we cannot go outside. And Uncle is really very happy. Are you happy, Uncle? Uncle. Uncle.
Yes.
Ganong sad man ka? This is our television. We're going out. We're going up now. Going upstairs. Oh, this is our stairs. We're going for a tour. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Patay yung bata. Wow, tsada lagi ho. Tsada kay bay. Wow. This is our cabin. Cabin wood, just like in the horror film. Wow! How nice! Where's the one? There's the one. It's so nice. Very nice here, huh? That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just only 6. Nope. This is the second room here. It's actually going outside here. Yes. This is. Wow, it's so nice. It's really nice. Wow. This is so lovely. Jubbly. Wow. This is our second room here, and it's consisting 2, 4, 6 beds. I mean 2 double bed and 1 single bed, bunk bed each. And this is our rooftop. So nice and so comfy here. This is our only room. Have you seen? Sean, this is our room.
Yeah, so nice.
You know there's a second room here.
Can I see my room?
Oo.
Where?
Because I book it 2 room. This is our second room. We can watch the overview. This is the second room.
Nice!
There, it's tago. It's like we are hiding.
Ay, wow, grabe.
Yes, because
so,
I.
more than enough na, di ba?
Oo, dili na ta mag together in one.
So ako na sila daga naman sila dito.
Dani na lang ta.
Isa
Dili na.
O sige, sige.
Tito Noel, dire.
Ambot nila.
Ikaw, dira.
Oo. Sige, sige. Sure.
Tama na tayo private VIP.
Matter. Kay ako may nagpalit ay.
Wow.
Ako ako ani siya. We have our own this. We have our own this towel. And we still have a very nice view here, huh? Wala. Oo, sa basurahan. Wala man ko nagbukog kuan ka ng
Anar na niya?
ay pang switch. Wala ko nagbukog switch nga kuan kay mahal. Switchless ang dapit sa tuwa. Sean, what can you say about this cottage? And then afterwards, I also booked Jason X.
What's
Oh, Jason X, the one who has the mask on. Are you happy to see him later?
Yes. I want to try.
Ano na si Jason X oh? Hala, kinsa ni? Wala kang bata. Na, kirat.
Nani matulog?
Dani ko matulog
Nani
uncle.
ko?
It's already been because this is my house. I bought it with my own flesh.
Naman dito, Will.
Sila dito.
Ay, dili. Makuan-kuan kay napara ba si Raymond? Natkit dagan kay dito.
Ipaabay ni mo sa
Dani na lang tatapad. Tapad uncle.
Pwede naman.
Uncle, tapad na ta dani oh.
tapat na din.
Si Raymond there upstairs. Sige. Uncle, what can you say? We have 2 rooms.
Nice.
I book it with my own flesh and blood. Nganong gihadlok man ko ni uncle? You have no rights to remain silent. This is also our outside. Outside the building. Lagtsada kayo! Kid! Sean! It's so nice! Wow! It's so nice. Wow! So perfect. We are this is our toilet, the main toilet downstairs, and this is our shower area. It's nice. It's really nice.
Da. Tugnaw mo ang fridge. Uncle, are you happy and satisfied?
Yes, very happy.
Later, Uncle, I have a surprise for you.
At this time.
I got someone
Got someone
for you
Yes, that's
to be happy.
happy.
There,
Pasa ng pan
Nachada ilang kayo kanyo? Lahat. Wala lagi to, may tubig. La, pwede mo maligo tanyo? Hello. It's nice here.
Yes, very nice.
Ano
Good to be back.
6% na lang.
Ang sa magawin niya push mo sa ko.
Ay, sige, sorry. Everyone! What? Grabe. Untol-untol ka ba? What can you say? Oo, ba?
I'm so high.
Ba? Hello, guys. How are you? Yes, we're here in Giant Lion, where there's lots of animals over there. Hello, Mami. How are you? How are you? Ha? What you doing? Ha? Kira man po. A gasoline station with a vintage car and with Sean.
Yes, I'm so
Sean,
happy.
are you okay?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Of course.
Like a puppy. Are you happy?
Yes.
You're gonna go for go-kart. Go-kart.
Go-kart. Yeah.
That's a go-kart. That's a lodge.
There's like.
The other side? Okay.
Hello, Kuya Louie.
Hello! Sean, how are you, Sean?
I'm great.
Wow, who
Goodbye.
are you Tilibaba Dice?
You.
Tilibaba Dice.
My girlfriend
Grabe.
was not real.
Oh, grabe. Sean.
Picture ka dito, yeah? Global picture.
Ano man ka, Uncle?
Okay lang. Sean, ikaw rin din ba?
The Diners restaurant from Pahilayan. It's really nice here. She's mini golfing here. It's yes, we just finished our luge and our bumper boat and the no, Uncle, what can you say?
Holiday.
Holiday. What can you say, Kev?
Enough.
You had enough? What can you say, Sean?
Interesting.
What can you say, May?
Amazing.
You.
It's awesome.
Asam?
Awesome.
Tsado ba kayo?
Marvin.
Hello. Sean,
Kabana ka na.
Yeah.
what can you say about your winning performance? Did you really enjoy as well?
Really, I felt the enjoyment and I feel like I want to try it once again.
Then go back.
No money. Wait for Libri.
That's really cool. It's really nice. It's, in here, we really had fun. We went first the luge
Yeah.
and
Luge.
luge.
No, go-kart.
Go kart, yes, go kart and then luge and then
And then
the
bumper boat.
bumper boat.
Lastly, the
The mini golf without the hanging bridge.
without the
Sayang ba? Chadang's hanging bridge. Is it nice hanging bridge?
hanging bridge. It's nice
But boring.
but boring.
Anak, you already tried before?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a good thing we never tried because we just only walk, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba? Bye-bye, the Ilayan Forest Park.
Bye.
Nice meeting you. Bye, Luge. Bye, Luge. Diba?
Kasi gusto rin.
Hello, Van. Can you talk? Can you... Grabe. It's really quite nice weather today. Even though it's a little bit light rain, diba?
Yeah.
And it's still cool. It's not really cold, diba?
It's foggy up here since
Mm-mm.
it's a mountain.
Since the beginning. This is SM downtown with Sean.
Yes, again.
This is his favorite stop, like favorite stop SM. Looks really pretty. We're going upstairs. Uncle Nawawa, can you say this is SM downtown? Why is it called downtown, not uptown?
Because we're in a town.
But we're going up. Diba? How's the fried chicken built up? Looks pretty. Looks nice. Thank you, Jesus. Everything. It's amazing. Oh? Sing, Sean.
What?
Stage is yours.
There.
The stage is yours. Sing. What do you want to sing, Sean?
I don't have any
Like
talent.
Shawn Mendes. Kantong kay kanta niya.
Treat you better. Maybe I can treat you
Ah?
better.
Ano man? Text, ipa-text lang. You're amazing, Sean. Grabe ka, Sean. You're a sharpshooter, ha? Paspasan ni mo siya na eh. Diretso, Sean. Nagbaili-baili na ako, no? Hurot na. Lo! Wala lang iba eh. Sean, what can you say? You like?
Yes, it's
You like
fun.
to kill people, na?
It's nice to shoot
Start.
circles, not
You want
people.
to be a soldier now?
Shoulder. I want to be a shoulder.
Yeah, you want to be shoulder, not
Yes.
not a hand.
Pila ako nego ya. What's up?
Whoa! Mas naapsan ko ni mo, tura ko.
Ako,
What did you do? What's your secret?
you aim
Kilikili?
seriously. Oo, dira.
Up to date there.
Color blue.
It's time for Kevin's shooting squad. Shooting. You can do it, Kev. We believe in you.
Hindi mo lang yung work.
Ipislit.
Episode of Mayo.
Oh, see. Sulod, Kev, sulod. Sulod, Kev. Kay Kuan. Sayang.
Mo man dili ko alam.
They're actually playing. What's this called, Chan?
It's called Armas. Since it's
Arma. Hello. It's really nice. Sean and Kevin. Wow, Sean, you're so good, Sean. Hello, we're finally in Seven Seas now. Seven Seas, and everyone is there. Where are they? Oh, hello, Raymond. Is your second time Seven Seas na?
Yes.
And mine is second time as well. You're ready to go, huh? You're all packed. Grabe. It's really nice.
Thank you sa sponsor.
No, it's Mama who sponsor and Kevin. Wow.
Very nice.
It's really nice. Thank you, Jesus. Looks yeah, nice. We're finally here. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. Wow. Hello, flower girl. Flower girl, how are you? Are you blooming? Hello, uncle. Arte ba? Hello, Sean.
Hello.
Ha?
Hello.
Nag-vlog ko. Ibutang nila ko sa video sa YouTube. Have you seen my YouTube? Diba? Nakita man siguro nimo. Tatong ko.
Subscribe na ako.
Oo. Excited, Sean? The water? Kev, ikaw. How are you, Kev?
Excited.
But-
happy na din ikaw lang.
But you're sad same time. Lana na lang tao? Laganan ko na na, Kev, mag-slide. Wow!
Oo, no.
Okay. Nasa laag. Okay. Wow, it looks really nice here, guys. Kada kayo. It's a really nice forest park. Hello, Auntie. How are you? You're gonna be in YouTube soon.
Yeah.
Just like Auntie Ruby and Auntie Maribig. Yes. You've seen my YouTube, diba?
Yeah, I
Oh yes. That's the one that you know with Ruby. Diba? So, we went to London. Hello, Mami. Hello. Didi.
Hi.
Kira ka? You're gonna be in YouTube soon.
Thank you.
Are you excited? Are you still happy?
Yes.
But you look sad.
Tired.
Tired and hot. Oh yeah.
Diba? Matik.
Hala, sabi. Nakita na akong red panty. Ah, grabe. Hala, sama nagabitay-bitay na. Hala. Anay pinakitaan nga someone. Okay na ka, Rafael? How are you? How's you? Oh, good lang. Oh, that's good. Hello. Neil ka, Neil ka, di ba? Court. Si Neil ni.
Hindi ko magsabas pangalan.
Neil, kabalo ako. Sorry. Neil, this is your first time here? This is your first time English. Oh. So how is it?
Wala pa kayo. Wala pa kung alam ko yun.
Oh, okay. How about you, Lilay? Can you say something nice? Si Liloy? Liloy. Si Jilay. Parehas so Jilay, Lilay. Okay. Jilay, how are you?
Uy, Popoy.
Did you eat well last night?
Last night.
Lunch. It's your turn.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Popoy. Who made you? Who is the one invented your name? Invented your name.
Siya daw
Who created your name?
nag-name.
Is it your pet? Pet.
Si Daddy.
Wala ka apil-apil. Dili ka kwan, part of the family. Joy. Hello, Dai. Dai. Oo. Why?
Swim.
So, okay, that's good. Oo. So
Sana ikaw din, kuya.
first time you go here?
Oh, very first time.
Oh, that's good. Ano na sila nagtambay sila there. Oh.
Punta-punta ko.
Dili sila dani sa social. Ikaw, Joy, what makes you decided to grabe.
Sabi nga decide. Kung saan nga decide? To kaya decided to come here?
Yes, no, to go there.
Of course, panagsara ba yun?
Oh, lagi.
Of
Oo.
course, daw siya.
Why
When was the last time we banding?
Yes. You answer your question as well.
2012?
20 years ago?
The last time nga dire sila tong naata?
17.
17 pa to? Dire dito 12?
Wala.
That's 2017.
2017, sorry.
Yes, yes.
wrong answer.
How about you, Uncle Junjun? Uncle, si Junjun na lang. Pero mura man siya uncle na ako. Pero, John, kailangan ko, how are you?
I'm okay.
How are you since yesterday?
Your birthday is mine.
Are you questioning me? I am the questioning you. Grabe. Pero kuan ka na, kamusta man ka?
Okay lang.
He's getting married na.
Oh. Yay! Asa man, asa ang handa. Grabe handa.
Hindi ka ron. Ano sabi?
Wala, siya mag-order for you.
Man, wala.
Oo.
Tao daw.
Oo. What makes you decide to go for a wedding now, not 2017?
I suppose I'm getting married now.
Pero why now? Why didn't it happen last time?
Because there is no you.
No, there is no you.
Oh, I'm here 2017.
Out 2017.
Oo.
Maybe I'm very proud and happy.
Okay. Like this is the right time to shine. The
It's time to be happy.
oh. Are you not
Because
happy?
you-
Okay.
And we're
But your face
getting
is not
together.
happy. Oh, that's happy na. Ah, it's your turn.
Oy.
Si Kwan, si Oy Oy.
Oy. Hello.
So where do you live? Where do you live now? Where do you live now? Oy.
I live with my sister and family.
We live in the same house.
Oh, si Ayolo as well.
Ano,
he
naibalay
lives
si
in
kuya.
another house.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
But we are
But
neighbors.
do you? I think I saw you once in the
No.
cafe in the FB.
Sa Facebook. Oh.
Did you just pretending?
No, it's not pretending. I ordered to you. I ordered to you.
Did you you help?
That was last year.
Did you help?
No, I don't help sa lahang business.
Kay naaman ka dito, di ba?
I help by being a customer.
Yes, you kasi. Oh, you're a servant boy.
I serve the
Serve us. Waiter, di ba? Waiter ba or serve?
Barista ang kwan, term.
Barista.
Yes.
But in English.
Barista lang yapon.
No, that's not it.
Naman, coffee maker.
Bartender na sa English.
Wow! Wow, grabe ni Ani lang siya dani para kuanan mi. Pero ikaw Neil, what do you do?
Kuan ko, the service ko sa mga tao.
Like you're a military service?
You're some public service.
Public service like judge? Judge. How about you, Rafael? Why are you so tall?
Dayo, ali day.
I don't know.
Who made you tall?
Born
Grabe. Not God, grabe.
And God.
Wow. Praise Jesus. Ay, pag unya dahil ihatag din ako kay Lotlot pag afterwards. Pwede ba?
Si anak.
Ganun pilog.
Okay naman. Ladi mo wala. Kasaban ka. Wala.
Kung ko naligo, basta mo ka, basta sa ulan.
Lot, how about you? How are you?
I'm fine. I'm so fine.
Shower sa daw, ayaw mo.
That's good.
Oh, mag-shower sa tubig.
Naman food sila tubig na free.
Ayun, tubig.
Kasaban pa nila, nag-ingon man sila na po ang bahala sila.
Mag-video ta ha. Let's have a video. Diagin mo sa laom, amas Johnny. Ay, padaplin.
Ops, Yara, ops,
Ay,
ops.
padaplin.
Yara. Dili, Yara, poy.
Pilan, unsa niyang katason ang yang fit?
Sleep na do. Dire kay kuan kita. Mga 4.
Sila din silang kuan.
Ay, 4 pa din ha. Ama, kuan pa.
Anak Francis.
Professional na siya.
Professional kaon ba?
Sige, ready?
Ready? Steady?
Hey, video kami.
Ready?
Go! Go!